Hey there, TRW crew. Matt Masalo here with the rhinestoneworld.com, and this is your TRW Stone Wizard version 2 tutorial number 38, the templates tab. So very, very powerful tab here in the TRW Stone Wizard. What this tab is going to do is it's going to allow you to color separate all of your designs. So when you're using the biggest benefit of the sticky flock template material and you're layering the material on top of each other, this is the program that's going to color separate that perfectly for you every single time with one click, that's going to allow you to cut out those different colored templates to be able to layer on top and make your designs. So obviously we can see this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 color design here. So we need 5 different templates and we need them to be the exact same size so we can layer them on top of each other. We don't have to worry about eyeballing it or using any alignment systems. It's going to do it for you. Why pay extra for different things and alignment systems when the material does it all for you? So let's see how this works. We got our accept, love, understand autism design here. I'm going to highlight this design. I want to create 5 templates for this, so I'm going to go to my templates tab in the TRW Stone Wizard, create TRW magic templates. Watch this, one click, bam, there you go. 5 templates, perfectly cut, perfectly separated, all color separated for, you can see there's our citrine, there's our emerald, there's our red cyan, there's our cobalt blue, and here's all of our crystal. Okay, how easy was that? So you are ready to go. You can bring this over to your cutter, set it up however you want. You might have to rearrange a little bit to bring this over depending on what size material you're using. Maybe bring this over to here, and then you can cut from here. Now that's 18.9 inches wide, so if you're using the 24-inch sticky flock, you can cut that pretty easy. All right, so I'm going to show you another feature here. Our 2 plus magic cut templates, something the Rhinestone World came up with a few years ago, and awesome feature. There's a couple cutters out there that don't have a true 2 rotation. Now what that means is when you do 2 rotations, some programs it's going to start here, it's going to cut, then the blade's going to lift, and then it's going to cut again. Well, it's not going to get a full cut right there. Even a slight little overcut isn't going to get the way you want. That's why we created the 2 plus magic cuts, because what that's going to do, no matter if your cutter has 2 rotations or not, the program is going to trick your cutter into cutting 2 rotations, which is going to speed up your weeding time. So just that's the main thing that's going to save you a lot of time with the TRW Stone Wizard, is when you're doing different stuff like that and you have 2 rotations, you're using a thicker material like the sticky flock, it's going to make your weeding a whole lot easier. So I'm going to show you how that works. If you want to make your cutter cut in 2 true rotations, you're just going to go create 2 plus magic cut templates. I'm going to click on that real quick and you're done. There you go. Perfect. It's got your box right there, okay? And then it's got all of your circles with 2 rotations. So it's going to actually start here, it's going to cut around, and then over about another quarter turn and then up. And that's what it's going to do for every circle, so you get a nice true 2 rotation cut. It's going to save you a ton of time in weeding. You can use less pressure and less downforce on your cutter, which is going to help your motor and save your blade. So a lot of benefits with that. All right, now a new feature we have is our 2 plus magic cuts. Now what this is, if I come over to this here, 2 plus magic cuts. So let's say you purchased a file from us on our website and it comes through like this, already color separated for you. Well, you can't really do the 2 plus magic templates the way that we used to have it, so we want you to be able to turn that alphabet or whatever it is into your 2 plus rotations as well, because you don't need to recolor separate this because it was already color separated. Okay, very easy to do. All you do is highlight your entire design. It's going to find everything in it, hit 2 plus magic cuts, and you're done. There you go. 2 rotations there. You can see when I pull this away, it's a separate box. You can see it has 2 boxes to cut the box twice there to get a nice clean cut on your boxes, and you are completely done. So that is a new addition as well, the 2 plus magic cuts. That's if it's already color separated, or you just have a design that's a one color design or something, you just want to add the two cuts to it. You just hit the 2 plus magic cuts and you are done, good to go. Send it to your cutter, you're going to get a nice clean cut, a nice easy weed, and that's what we're looking for. You don't want to be picking all the circles out and popping them out of the sticky flock template material or any material that you're using. With the 2 plus TRW cuts, it's going to save you a lot of time, make that process a whole lot easier for you. And that's our goal here with the TRW Stone Wizard version 2. So if you do have any questions, make sure to give us a call. Number's 941-755-1696. This is Matt with the rhinestoneworld.com, and you guys all have a great day.